Shyamli, last time we spoke, you mentioned lay of the land. For me, it sounds a bit overwhelming. Are there any tips? Can one learn it somewhere? How should we go about this?
Unfortunately, it's something which is not taught anywhere. It's a lot to do with your emotional intelligence. My ability to understand who are the critical stakeholders, who are the influencers, how do I start very quickly building the relationship with them. And therefore, building my networks very quickly becomes extremely important. There are a couple of ways of doing it. One, understand who are the people who are important for your success and your team's success. You can create a map for it, you can create a template for it. What is a person's needs are? How can I really reach out to the individual? Can I do one-on-ones? Is somebody more powerful? What is it that I can offer to the person? And how do you do this in a sustainable way? So thinking through a little bit of that, so making like a strategic plan around this works very well.
Are there any specific stakeholders that one looks for?
So, a couple of them, it would be, of course, your immediate boss. So when we look at stakeholders from a perspective of your networks, it could be your operational networks, so people in your immediate environment, my customers, for example, critical customers, my immediate team member, maybe who's reporting into me, my peer, as well as my immediate boss and the boss's boss. So, this is an operational network. When we are talking about strategic networks, at a more senior level, then I would say, okay, who are the people outside my business unit? Who are the people who are maybe in different business units I need to know, or people outside my company but in same industry that I need to know. And when we are talking about really our developmental networks, something that I want to do. So, for example, if I want to write, then who are the people I can reach out and build relationships with? So, authors, for example, which can help me then get that insight about how to write better, for example. So it really depends the purpose you're building a network for. Is it operational? Is it strategic? Is it developmental?
Thank you, Shyamli, for talking to us about understanding the lay of the land. Thank you for some of the great tips.